Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to merge image and text in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show merge image and text. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for word art option. Now source from word art. Now select, then type from text. Now click for OK. Then resize the text. Now going to the format menu option, then click for a shape fill option. Now click for picture option. Now wait some for a moment. Now click for from a file. Then find your image. Now select from image. Now for click, then click for insert option. That it's. Now finally merge and image and text in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.